Hello and welcome back to my RC channel. I'm Andy RC and today I'm going to be picking a winner of the Skystars Star-Lord. And wow, don't I look pale there. Yeah, I've not been very well. I've had a sickness, poor me, and I've still got it. It's been going on for about a week, which is why there haven't been many or any videos released. So apologies for that and thank you for your support. Whilst there haven't been any videos, hopefully I'll recover soon and there'll be some videos coming out. Anyways, let's pick a winner for this guy. So I'm going to copy the URL and we're going to go onto the random YouTube comment picker and I'm going to filter out duplicate users. Let's see how many comments that we got. So 1,400, more than the H117 one, which is understandable. So let's pick a winner. Good luck to everybody. So we've got a winner here. We have got Shane86. It says maybe this model could get that gear best taste off my mouth. Thanks for the opportunity. Well, hopefully it will. And what you need to do is put your email address in the comments of this video and then I will contact you and I'll quickly delete the email address as well, so you don't need to worry about that. So congratulations to Shane86. And thank you to everybody that participated in the competition. And as always, thanks so much for watching. Please continue to subscribe. Cheers.